In this question, it is given that ABC is a right angle triangle. ABC is a right angle triangle where angle C is 90 degree. Angle C is 90 degree. M is a midpoint of AB. M is a midpoint of AB. It means AM equals to MB. AM equals to MB. Clear? First of all, what you have to prove? What you have to prove? Also, it is given that DM is parallel to BC. DM is parallel to BC. In the first part, you have to prove that D is a midpoint of AC. In the first part, you have to prove that D is a midpoint of AC. Now, in triangle ACB, don't consider the CM line. Don't consider the CM line. Don't consider the CM line. Just talking about ACB triangle. Okay, I am going to construct here ACB triangle only. ACB, there is a line DM. Now M is a midpoint and DC is parallel to CB. DM is parallel to CB. So by converse of midpoint theorem, I can say that D is also a midpoint. D is also a midpoint by converse of the midpoint theorem. By converse of the midpoint theorem, I can say that D is also a midpoint because M is a midpoint and DM is parallel to CM. So first part complete. So from here we get that AD equals to DC. From here we get AD equals to DC. Now in second part we have to prove that there is also 90 degree. That means DM, what you have to prove? DM perpendicular to AC. That you have to prove. DM perpendicular to AC. Now DM is parallel to CM. DM is parallel to CM. DM line parallel to CB line. DM line parallel to CB line. Parallel to CB line. And DC is a transversal. DC is a transversal. Then their corresponding angles are equals to each other. If angle C is 90 degree, then there is also angle 90 degree by corresponding angles, by property of corresponding angles. Clear, everyone?
Excuse me, sir?
Yes.
We can also prove that DM is perpendicular to AC by taking co-interior property and angle DCT.
Yes. You can also make this angle 90 degree by a co-interior property. You can apply any method. Okay. I have used the corresponding. You can apply the co-interior property also. Our target is to make that angles 90 degree only. You can apply any method. Okay. Now the last part. In last part you have to prove that okay, that's the third part, students. That's the third part. In third part, you have to prove that CM equals to AM equals to half of AB. Now see how I have done this. In triangle ADM, this one triangle, and triangle CDM, this one triangle. These two triangles. Okay. AD equals to DC. Angle, this is 90 degree, this is also 90 degree. Both are 90 degree. And DM is common line. DM is a common line. AD equals to CD, we have proved above. And 90 degree equals to 90 degree. So by side angle side, both triangles are congruent. If both the triangles are congruent, then I can say that the CM line equals to AM line. CM line equals to AM line by CPCT. By CPCT, I can say that the CM line equals to AM line. The CM line equals to AM line. Now, CM line equals to AM line. Now see, M is a midpoint of AB. M is a midpoint of AB. We know that the M is a midpoint of AB. Therefore, AM line and BM line AM line and BM line. What is AM BM line? That's a half of AB line. That's a half of AB line. Now compare the equation 1 and 2. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. Both are equals to AM. Both are equals to AM. So CM is equals to BM equals to AM equals to half of AB. Clear?
Yes, sir, clear.
You can easily see from here.
Yes, sir, clear.
CM equals to AM and equals to BM. It means CM, AM and BM. All the three are equal. All the three are equals to the half of AB. Now anyone have any doubt, please ask.